Hello. I have to go check my car for my hat for my job because I have to work today. Doesn't look like it's in there. Oops. I'm not feeling so hot today because I was donating blood yesterday. Well, plasma. So I don't want to go to work. I'm tired. Went to bed at a good time, surprisingly. Well, not at a good time. I just didn't have to wake up until 10, so gave me a little bit of sleeping time and kind of recover. I'm gonna go get ready and try to find my hat. Well, off to Hardee. It's not bad. I like working there because the people are fun and they just make the time go past most of the time, and I like working quickly, fast-paced stuff. I always work lunch, so really busy time. Wrong side. To put my seat all the way up because I'm short. You'd think living in Ohio I'd always come out and warm up my car, but hopefully I get out early today because I'm not feeling too hot. Time to go. The Hardees. All done with work today. Got off early, which is awesome because I feel like poop. Gonna go home and see what else I can get into. Hopefully something exciting. I'm home now. Go see what my boyfriend wants to do today. Tenders. Go to Hardee's. Get the tenders. And ask for a side of Thousand Island. Amazing. Hello everyone. I'm gonna go on the computer real quick. Check my score on my test yesterday. Woohoo! I got 21 out of 20, which means I got the bonus point. Awesome! The test was over all the different cat breeds. Well, not all of them, but the ones she wants us to remember. And I spelled them all right, which I spelled them all right, and I did good, which is cool, because that was the first test I had in that class. So, I forgot to tell you that we have a mall. Whoopie ding dong. They took the movie theater out of here, so there's nothing really here. So, you know, there's an arcade, but it's crappy. Because you spend your money there and you get tickets and nowhere to turn them in. Get little prizes or anything. So that kind of sucks. But people come here to exercise, which is funny. And they have a nail place, like to get your nails done. I like it. I taught myself how to do it. It's not very good at it, but it's a lot cheaper. They have a Route 21. That's a plus. Annie Ann's, the pretzel place. I love those. They have Dunham's. Well, we just got Dick's. That's kind of cool. Big sporting goods. So, I like going in there just to look around. I want to go anywhere, just look around. Waiting on you. Well, everyone, Cody just saved my life. I was walking into a store, and he grabbed me by the arm. He said, "Harley, hold on. We have to go to the bathroom." I said, "What?" He said, "Your shirt's inside out." What? I decided to go to this like open house thing at my college. I don't really have to because I already know what I'm going for. But what I'm going into, vet tech, the program is like kind of competitive, and I want to get my name out there and do as much as I can to make sure I get in for fall. And so I'm hoping this will help, and because I really want to be in the program. I wish I was in the complete program right now, but I had to take my prerequisites, which are because I'm done now classes. So I'm getting those out of the way so I don't have to take any more, which is awesome. So it's in the Performing Arts Center, which is that huge building right there. And it's pretty awesome. They have theater there and shows and banquets and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. So here we go. Well, not yet. Waiting on my mom because she wants to come. So hi.
Hi.
That's my mommy.
Hi, I'm Mommy.
We're going into the open house. See you later.
Bye. Race one, I like that.
Hello everyone. I'm just now leaving the open house and I'm gonna go back home now. Yay! Everyone, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna do some editing and put up the video. See you tomorrow.